This is Julia and Gregory at Team Tsougranis Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to our newest exclusive at 2430 Morgan Avenue in the Pelham Parkway section of the Bronx.
And we got a winner for you here today. This is a Greek Revival colonial style house in the Pelham Parkway section of the Bronx on a 50 by 100 lot, allowing for a front yard, a backyard, and driveway parking. So come on inside and get ready to fall in love. TLC needed, but lots of potential in this house. The ground floor includes a kitchen, full living room, and steps going up to the 3-bedroom full bath. You also have steps going to the basement.
The 3 large bedrooms complete the upstairs. Natural sunlight is always a bonus, and here in the bathroom you have a skylight.
You also have plenty of space, fresh air, and serenity in your own backyard. Hear those birds chirping. Never need to park on the street because you got your own spot right here at home. We found your pathway to home ownership.
Call Team Tsougranis today and reserve your private tour.
This baby will not last.